Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Hey dude, nice glasses.
lovely day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually heavy.
Oh, it's
What? I like your shirt.
oh, it's here.
Huh?
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Nice dress.
Oh, it's M. Oh my god, I love your shorts.
You're welcome.
What?
Hey, I really like those shoes.
I think it's that. Come on, Dave.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Hey,